Recognizing and Overcoming Depression and Anxiety, a comprehensive guide. Depression and anxiety aren't just temporary feelings of sadness and nervousness. They are complex mental health disorders that can linger and significantly impact your daily life. Do you constantly feel sad and hopeless, but can't pinpoint why? You may be grappling with depression. It's not just about feeling blue, it's a persistent cloud of despair that doesn't lift. Are you always worried or feel excessively anxious about things? You might be dealing with anxiety. It's an overwhelming sense of worry that doesn't go away, even when the stressor is removed. Both disorders can interfere with your ability to carry out everyday tasks. Work, relationships, and even physical health can suffer due to these debilitating conditions. Recognizing these disorders is the first step. Look for persistent sadness, lack of interest, appetite changes, or sleep disturbances. These could be signs of depression. For anxiety, watch for constant worry, restlessness, or trouble concentrating. You might also experience physical symptoms like a racing heart, rapid breathing, or increased sweating. Now let's discuss overcoming these conditions. Professional help is crucial. Don't shy away from seeking therapy or counseling. A mental health expert can provide you with the right guidance and treatment. Medication can also play a role in management. Antidepressants can help alleviate symptoms of depression, while anti-anxiety drugs can help control excessive worry and fear. However, medication isn't the only solution. Lifestyle changes can bring significant improvements. Regular physical activity, balanced diet, and adequate sleep can go a long way in managing your symptoms. Consider mindfulness approaches like meditation and yoga. They can help you become more aware of your feelings, lessen the power of negative thoughts, and promote a sense of calm. Socializing can also be beneficial. Engaging in uplifting activities with friends and family can lighten your mood and provide a sense of belonging. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Reach out to supportive people in your life. Express your feelings. You are not alone in your struggle. Depression and anxiety are serious, but remember they are also treatable. With professional help and self-care, you can overcome these challenges and regain control of your life. Incorporate these lifestyle adjustments into your routine. They can supplement professional treatments, helping you build resilience and work towards a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe Physiomedics.